guys, it's Felicity from the Luxuriant Curls channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 2 different ways to use apple cider vinegar to loosen up the dirt in your hair. But before I show you that, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so you know when our new videos are coming up. Okay, let's get to the video. Okay, so first I'm going to tell you guys why I use apple cider vinegar to loosen dirt out of my hair.
So it all started a few years ago when I was taking box braids out my hair and my scalp was like filled with dirt. Like it was all crusty and stuff like that. You know how it is when you leave braids in for too long or any style in for too long. So my mom said that when I wash my hair, the dirt would probably like stay there because my hair likes to latch on to like dirt a lot. So she told me to mix apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle, so like half and half parts, and shake it up and spray it in your hair. And well, it worked.
So that story was shorter in my head, so moving on. I mean, my mom's usually right about these things. So I don't know exactly how to, like, the scientific meaning behind it, but as you know, like apple cider vinegar or vinegar in general and baking soda, you know, fizzes up. So I guess a way to picture it is the vinegar, like, when it touches the dirt, it like dissolves it, I guess. That's how I visualize it when I apply it to my hair. Either way, it loosens up the dirt, so that's why I use it. Okay, so after that little scene from my life, I'm going to show you how I use it. So I have this natural vinegar right here. It's raw and unfiltered by the company Bragg. I think that may be their last name or something. I don't know, but yeah, it's their last name. But this is what we have in the house. It's natural. We usually have to shake it because there's like stuff at the bottom. Probably can't see it, but I guess you can use any brand of apple cider vinegar you want. It's the same thing. Yeah, so the first way I use it is in the bottle, like I explained earlier. It had half a thing of vinegar and half a thing of water, and I shook it up and, well, it sprays out. I'm not exactly sure why I have to mix it with water. I think maybe she just didn't want me to use up the vinegar.
Bless her heart, I told her to add the water to dilute the vinegar just in case she gets into her eyes, it won't burn.
So yeah, but anyways, the way I use this method is if I'm taking down my hair, I put it on before the deep conditioner stuff that I put in. So as you can see, my hair's a little curly because these were from the mini twist that I put in a few weeks ago. I have a video on that, not on how to do them, but different styles you can make with them. But anyways, it's not too dirty. You can see the little particles, but it's been in my hair for about 4 weeks or so. So I'm gonna need a deep cleanse. So what I do is I spray the scalp directly, and I just keep spraying as much as I want, as much as I think it needs. Well, in reality, I usually part my hair first, but I'm lazy today. I usually do part it in the 4 sections, like I usually do my hair in, and do it like that, but I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, I just spray my scalp. That's really all you need to spray, just your scalp. You don't really have to spray your whole hair because the scalp is the one that holds the dirt in. But yeah, so get a little spray bottle of some sort and just spray on your scalp. Alright, so we're gonna go to the next method. Hey guys, so we seem to have teleported to the bathroom for the second method. So for this method, I get the whole bottle of the vinegar and simply just pour it on my scalp. So just as a demonstration, I just get the vinegar and pour it directly on my scalp. Make sure you can see. Yeah, you can see. And then it just like runs down from the back to the front where you can see it. But it just runs down your scalp and into the tub. So that's how I use that method. I prefer this method because I just like the smell of vinegar. That sounds really weird, but like, and I just like how it feels on my scalp. It feels cold. And like, I just like using the vinegar without water because I feel like it does more. But whichever way is convenient for you, so that's how I use it. So let's teleport back to the other room. Okay, so I have returned back to the other room. That's pretty much all that you need to know about using it, but word of caution, please don't get the vinegar in your eyes because it burns. Of course it's gonna burn, but like, it burns. But besides that, using it is all fine and dandy. I do recommend it if your hair is one to like latch on to stuff for a long time. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And have an awesome hair day.